Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. So today's recipe is a banger. It's a killer, guys. So if you're new here, welcome, and remember to subscribe. If you are my notification gang, then you guys are the best. So today's video is what I ate in a day. I spent this day in the house, and I was like, why not just show you what I had for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So that's basically what this video is all about. For breakfast, I had some spicy masala toast, and it was so yum. For lunch, I had a githeri, a curry githeri with some avocado, and for dinner I had some bhajia, maru bhajias, and somewhat, and I also had a salad, and the salad was so good, guys, especially the dressing made the salad, just took the salad to a whole new level, like literally from a 0 to 100. So let's start this video, guys. Welcome back, and please remember to subscribe. So guys, for breakfast I had the spicy masala toast, which needed some eggs, black pepper, paprika, tandoori masala, curry powder, of course bread, and some curry powder. And for the ingredients, I needed some onions, tomatoes, and the capsicum, the green capsicums. So that's all that you will need, and some coriander, of course. You can put in some garlic, but it's not necessary. So we're just going to add that up, and the rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
So guys, remember to just taste and see if you need to add more spice and whatever needs to be balanced out, so that everything comes out very nice.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you.
So everything is now, we're just going to need a little bit of oil, and remember to cook the toast on medium heat so that they don't brown or they don't burn, and they've not cooked well inside.
And we got a lot to prove. They think we're too
Guys, the first toast gave me such a hard time, so don't laugh at me.
damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
So I'm going to take a little bit of the what can I call them, the condiments, and add them a little bit on the bread because they didn't collect as much as I wanted them to. So just a little bit of it on top so that the bread comes out with a little bit of those condiments.
You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and It's you and I. Let me stay with you. You're asking you just one night. I'm not by your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't.
So you repeat the entire process for the whole of the bread that you want to cook the masala toast in, and guys, this was so good.
So looking up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. Still looking up to, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment.
So for lunch, guys, I had the curry githeri, and basically what you need is, of course, pre-boiled githeri, some onions and garlic, green capsicums and coriander, tomatoes, and for the spices I'm only going to be using a little bit of the tomato paste, of course curry powder, and a little bit of royco, of course oil, and some cooking oil and salt.
There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. Let me stay with you. You're asking you just one night. I don't know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking up to.
So guys, always remember to cook your spices, that way you don't have any heartburn or any stomach upset.
But do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. Can't stop looking up to. But do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
So guys, the githeri was so yummy. You add water depending on how you prefer it. If you prefer it a little bit dry, then you add a little bit of water, but I prefer mine with a little bit of soup, so that's why. But it was so good.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.
So for supper, I had this amazing salad that is going to be a favorite in this house, and also some maru bhajia. So for the bhajia, you need some all-purpose flour, coriander, which I had a very little bit of it left, garlic and ginger, and the egg yellow food color. Of course, potatoes, you cut them to the thickness that you prefer, so that's all that you need. And of course, some oil for frying. That's what you need for the bhajia. For the salad, you need lettuce or lettuce, cucumber, the sweet corn, onions and tomatoes. And I tried for the first time this tropical heat salad seasoning, and I loved it, guys. So we're going to start with the salad so that we leave it to also, guys, we need some mayonnaise and mustard. I didn't show you honey, but I'm also going to be using a little bit of honey for the salad dressing. So I'm going to start off with the salad so that we put it in the fridge to chill as we make the bhajia. So basically what you're doing is just we are cutting off everything into nice chunks, however you prefer it. I prefer mine a little bit smaller, but if you prefer your salad to have big chunks of everything, that's how you do it.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Oh. Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
So guys, for the salad dressing, I honestly don't measure. I just wing it. Like, I add everything until I have my preferred consistency, and how I taste it until I know. I just keep adding more honey, more mayonnaise until I have everything all balanced out. I didn't want my dressing to be so thick, so I added a little bit of water.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.
So guys, for the bhajia or the viazi karai, however you call them, you put in everything together, and the more viazi, the more you use for the garlic, ginger, coriander, and the all-purpose flour. So you just add in more of that, add a little bit of the food color and water, and this consistency depends on how you want it to stick to your potatoes. So the heavier, the more it sticks on your potatoes, the lighter, the more it doesn't. So you make it however you prefer it.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts, the best me.
So guys, for the salad, I decided to just mix up everything. I added the dressing and mixed it up. So comment down below and tell me how you prefer your salad. Do you prefer yourself to add the dressing or for it to be added for you? But guys, this was so good. This salad was so amazing.
Is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind and sometimes.
So guys, the bhajia or the viazi karai came out so good. They were crunchy, yummy. It was just amazing, and it paired perfectly with the salad. These two are officially married.
Some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one, and Baraka guys.